Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and I hope you guys are staying safe. Today's video is a bit different because I know you guys can already see it. We've got a box here we're going to be unboxing, and if you're wondering what's in the box, I'm going to let you guys in on it in a couple of minutes. But before that, we're going to do a couple of housekeeping notes. So if you're new here, welcome. Again, like I said, my name is Ayotolaoff, the creative director of So Unique by Adoni and the content creator of this channel, DIY with So Unique by Adoni. And this channel was created just for you. Yes, you, to teach you loads of sewing crafts and DIY tutorials that you can do from the comfort of your home. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the awesome content that I have for you. You also want to make sure that you follow me on social media, so I'll put my handles on the screen for you guys, and just make sure you follow me everywhere. To all my OGs, welcome back. So I've got this package here and I'm gonna put, I don't want to tell you guys where it's from yet, but I probably have to tell you because it's something I've always wanted for a while. So if you're a fashion designer, one staple that you need is a dress form, and there's so many dress forms out there. However, not all of them are of great quality. This one is one that is of absolute great quality, I can guarantee you that, and it is by Royal Dress Form. I've always looked out for their products. I absolutely love it, and yeah, this one is one from them, and you guys are going to see it now. So we're going to unbox this together. I've got my cutter ready. I've got my friend who has been the director and is doing an absolute interesting job, and I've also got the product here as well. So I'm going to unbox it in a second, and then you guys can see the dress form, and then we can get it to good use. All right guys, so I've got my cutter now, gently, because yeah, it's fragile stuff. And I'm going to lightly cut the sellotape so we don't cause any damage. Oops. So let's see what's in the box. Got a nice stand. It's absolutely heavy. So that's the stand. We've got a rod, and we've got the dress form.
out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wet out on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay.
Hi guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I'm done, with the mannequin, and this is what it looks like when it's put together. I'll kind of slide in a video so you can see the whole thing and see how sturdy the feet are. But basically, this is what it looks like. It's really nice, I like the fact that it's a size 12. As you can see, it has a little bit of a fupa, like I actually do. So it's actually my size. And if you wanted to as well, if you go on Dressform's website, so they're called Royal Dressform, and I really like my apron as well. It was really handy. As you can tell, I'm already using it because I have stuff in it already, right? So if you go on their website, Royal Dressform, you see all the accessories they have. If you need some padding to make it like bigger, you see the padding. If you need like an extra arm as well, you'll find that. So this is like an arm, just shaking my friend. You see legs and everything. So whatever you want for the Dressform, Royal Dressform is literally the plug. And you know what's best? It's the pinnable Dressform. So you can see it's really, it's really easy to pin, doesn't stress you. And also it has like the symmetrical lines already, so it makes it easy when you're draping or when you're like making outfits and everything. So guys, well, that's basically the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and obviously if you're interested in purchasing one, I've got links in the description box, so go ahead, click on the link, check them out. They've got different types of dress form. This one is called the Monica Comfort dress set, I think, a dress form set. But I'll put the name on the screen as well as in the description box. And like I said, they've got different types, so look around at what you like. They've got this in black, this is the cream set. They've also got a floral edition, which is also really cute. So depending on what you want, definitely check out Royal Dressform. Thank you.
Hot like 100. Hello. Loading, strike with the lyrics like I'm bowling. Keep pushing on, keep rolling. Don't wanna listen, but I told him one more time. Your favorite MCs, bronze or silver. These vibes here are golden. Cards on the table, there's no folders. Spit bars at the club, zoning. TikTok come to London, get ripped off. Man get pissed off when I start lift off. Sweet like flavors, cookie and biscuit. Planty, yeah, the bars I get ripped off. Picked up my song, yo, every time I tripped up. Little petty trending the big rock. Me and my G's do everything mix up. Full circle, now everybody linked up. That's irrelevant, memory like an elephant. Keep your heart, but you know that it's elegant. Get mad, but always benevolent. Always moving up, just leveling. Constantly telling them rhyming, riddling. Cycle through these streets, I'm pedaling. Hibernating and boom, she's back again. Oh, cause a little fire on the track again. Turn the music up, vibe like an icon. Yeah, if you want buff, we can go psycho. Head to head, bar to bar, turn a mic on.